Hello guys, today I'm going to review the Bluetooth speaker. It do have a easy carry straps. Here is the points and all. That's a USB point. And next to that you can find the next button. Skip, pause, and the on and off button.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
That is the power point. Display. It do support FM also. That is a sound vent. It's made of plastic. Very well built.
The Bluetooth device is ready to
On switching on, you can hear the sound like Bluetooth device is on. It's ready to pair. In your phone, just you have to click on the Bluetooth, switch on the Bluetooth. It easily find out the speaker and it will get paired itself. It's very simple and easy. Now you can see that LBB310 is the speaker. You can pair it with Bluetooth through Bluetooth. On switching on the speaker, you can find these lights. It is a pause button, skip button, and volume high and high also. This is the FM button, the mode, and there is an equalizer also. This line. That is the equalizer button, like rock, pop, jazz, classic. So it start to play the music also. I'm overall happy with the sound, the product. It does its purpose. It supports a memory card also. The good thing about it is that the lights, when you play the music, it will keep on displaying the flashing the lights, LED lights. It looks good very in the night, and you can just carry it away even when you are like mostly people in remote place where they go for a walk, they want to enjoy the time, they can carry this, and it's easy transportation also. You can enjoy the music anywhere. The backup is around 2 hours, and then you have a good volume, decent volume.